If you're starting content creation in 2026, watch this. Welcome to From Zero to Pro, Content Creation for Beginners. Lesson 1. What is content creation? If you've ever wanted to become a content creator but didn't know where to start, this course is for you. I'm going to take you from zero to pro, step by step. In this course, you'll learn how to create content, grow your audience, and start building your brand online, even if you're starting from zero. So what is content creation? Content creation is simply sharing valuable, entertaining, or educational material online in the form of videos, posts, or graphics. Every time you see a video on YouTube, a reel on Instagram, or a TikTok, that's content. And the people creating that content are called content creators. The goal of content creation is to educate, entertain, inspire, or solve a problem. And when you do this consistently, you build an audience. For example, a fitness coach shares workout tips. A business owner shares marketing advice. A chef shares cooking tutorials. All of them are content creators. So remember this, content creation equals sharing value online consistently. Lesson 2, types of content you can create. There are 4 main types of content: video content for YouTube, image content for Instagram posts, carousels, text content for Twitter, captions, blogs, live content for live streams and webinars. As a beginner, I recommend starting with short form video because it grows fastest. Lesson 3, best platforms for beginners. Choosing the right platform can make or break your growth. The top 3 platforms for beginners are YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Why? Because they push your content to new audiences even if you have 0 followers. Start with one platform, master it, then expand. Lesson 4. What makes content go viral? Going viral is not luck, it's a formula. Viral content has 3 things: a hook that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds, value that teaches or entertains, emotion that makes people feel something. If your content has these, you can grow fast. Lesson 5. Setting your creator goals. This lesson is about defining your goals as a content creator. If you don't set goals, you'll lose motivation fast. Ask yourself, why do I want to create content? Do I want money, influence, or a personal brand? How often can I post weekly? Set a simple goal like, I will post 3 times per week for 30 days. Clarity creates consistency, and consistency creates growth. Great job completing Module 1. In Module 2, we'll discuss niche and target audience so you can stand out and grow faster. Let's go to the next lesson.